Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th Mathematics part first. The topic is Probability Part 7. In this session, we are going to discuss on probability of an event and problems based on this content. Means practice set 5.4 we are going to discuss. Friends, in the previous session of this probability part 6, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, that is event, probability of an event, ways of showing probability, properties of probability. Friends, today in this session we are going to discuss with practice set 5.4, probability of an event. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is expressed as a fraction or percentage using the following formula. For a random experiment, if sample space is S and A is an expected event, then probability of A is P of A. It is given by the following formula, that is P of A is equal to number of sample points in event A divided by number of sample points in sample spaces. So in short, P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Let us discuss the practice set 5.4. So problem number 1. If two coins are tossed and the probability of the following events, getting at least one head, getting no head at all. So sample space S will be HH, ST, TH and TT. Therefore N of S is equal to 4. So tossing a coin, let A be the event of getting at least one head. Then A is equal to ST, TH and HH. Therefore N of A is equal to 3. So probability of this A will be P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. We know the values of N of A and N of S. We will substitute that one. Therefore P of A is equal to 3 upon 4. Second, let P be the event of getting no head. Means B is equal to, you are getting TT. So N of B is equal to 1. Therefore P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S. Now we substitute the values of N of B and N of S. Therefore P of B is equal to 1 upon 4. Now let us discuss next problem number 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. Number 1. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. The sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. Third, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit in the second die. So let us write first the sample space. The sample space will be written as for this die, when two dice are to be thrown, at the time it will be getting 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Like that we are getting N of S is equal to 36. So the first event, let A be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. Means those will be A is equal to 4 6, 5 5, 5 6, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. Therefore N of A is equal to 6. Now the probability of this A, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Now substitute the values of N of A and N of S. Therefore you can get P of A is equal to 6 upon 36. After simplification you are getting P of A is equal to 1 upon 6. Let B be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. The sum of the digits on the upper face can be maximum 12. 6 6, that is 12. Therefore event B is an impossible event. So B you are getting as an empty set, that is 5. Therefore N of B is equal to 0. Therefore probability of this B is equal to N of B upon N of S, which will be equal to, you can write P of B is equal to 0 upon 36, that will be 0. Let C be the event that the digits on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Therefore, C will be 21, 31, 32, 41, 42, 43, 51, 52, 53, 54, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Therefore, you will get n of C is equal to 15. So friends, this P of C is equal to n of C upon n of S. Now we substitute the values. Therefore, P of B is equal to, that is 15 upon 36. After simplification, you are getting P of B is equal to 5 upon 12. Problem number 3 now. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn is first shows an even number, shows a number which is multiple of 5. So first we will write the sample space. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Therefore we can write n of S is equal to 15. So here the first event, let A be the event that the ticket drawn shows an even number. Therefore A will be the set containing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Therefore n of B, A is equal to 7. Therefore P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. Now substitute the values. Therefore P of A is equal to n of A is 7 and n of S is 15. Therefore P of A is equal to 7 upon 15. Let B be the event that the ticket drawn shows a number which is multiple of 5. Therefore B, you will be getting 5, 10 and 15. Therefore n of B is equal to 3. So friends, P of B will be equal to n of B upon n of S. Here n of B is 3 and n of S is 15. Substitute the values. Therefore P of B is equal to 3 upon 15. After simplification, you are getting P of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Problem number 4 now. A 2-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number formed is first an odd number and a multiple of 5? First of all, we will write the sample space. S is equal to 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39, 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. Therefore, you are getting n of S is equal to 20. The first, let A be the event that the number formed is an odd number. Therefore, A will be equal to 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 95 and 97. Therefore, you will get n of A, the total count will be 16. So friends, this probability of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. But now n of A is 16 and n of S is 20, that will substitute the values. Therefore, P of A is equal to 16 upon 20 after simplification, that is 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. Therefore, P of A is equal to 4 upon 5. Second, let B be the event that the number formed is a multiple of 5. Therefore, B is equal to 25, 35, 75 and 95. Therefore, n of B will be equal to 4. Friends, P of B will be now equal to n of B upon n of S, but n of B is 4 and n of S is 20. Substitute these values. Therefore, P of B is equal to 4 upon 20. After simplification, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Like that, P of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Problem number 5 now. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well-shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an S or a spade. So we will write the sample space. There are 52 playing cards. Those can be shown like this. These are the 52 playing cards. So now n of S is equal to 52. Let A be the event that the card drawn is S. So the possibility will be having a S is 4. It is like this. 4 S's are there. Therefore, n of A is equal to 4. Therefore, P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. But we have n of A is 4 and n of S is 52. We will substitute these values. So what will happen? P of A is equal to 4 upon 52. Simplify this one. Therefore, P of A is equal to 1 upon 13. Let B be the event that the card drawn is a spade. So the images of spade is like this. These are the 13 cards of spade. Therefore, n of B is equal to 13. Now, P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. We have n of B is equal to 13 and n of S is equal to 52. Therefore, P of B is equal to 13 upon 52, which is equal to, after simplification, P of B is equal to 1 upon 4. So friends, till now what we have discussed is problems of this probability of an event. Particularly, those are based on this, and the problems of this practice set 5.4. So friends, you will try this one. Find the probability of the following when one coin is tossed, getting head or getting tail. Second, if one die is rolled, then find the probability of each of the following events. Number on the upper face is prime, number on the upper face is even. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled back of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of each event. The card drawn is a red card, a face card. A box contains 5 strawberry chocolates, 6 coffee chocolates and 2 peppermint chocolates. Find the probability of each of the following events if one of the chocolate is picked from the box at random. First, it is a coffee chocolate. Secondly, it is a peppermint chocolate. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Shakuntala Devi. What is mathematics? It is only a systematic effort of solving puzzles posed by nature. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. At the same time, press the bell icon in order to have our next notifications. With these words, I would like to say thank you.